Hi, I'm Xiaoliu. In daily life, coffee is an indispensable part of people's life. As one of the most well-known coffee brands in the world, Nestle's products are the first choice for instant coffee lovers around the world. What supports the brand is the complete and major supply chain behind it. The first is a brief distribution of business operations. Nature's core products business is mainly instant coffee, followed by capsule coffee and instant coffee in the store. The core of Nature's operation plan is to promote regenerative agriculture, provide farmers with disease-resistant coffee seedlines, and provide professional technical gradients with professional growers to help farmers increase their income. The second is responsible procurement. Building enterprises and supply chain together is the key ensuring the stability of Nature's coffee. Finally, some markets are localized, such as tea and coffee in China, black coffee in Europe and in United States, and low-sugar coffee with rich milk flavor in some part of Asia. According to the changing needs of the market, Nestle's coffee and other business operations are constantly transforming to digitalization. Nestle's supply chain is the process from coffee beans to cup coffee. Nestle directly cooperates with source farmers. Farmers cultivate and plant coffee seedlings, and then pick mature coffee beans for further polymerity processing. They purchase coffee beans from farmers and transport raw coffee beans to factories around the world for processing. In the factory, after unified process, the raw coffee beans are finally made into semi-finished products such as coffee powder and coffee liquid. These products will be packaged for different products form. At the end, it becomes Nature's coffee finished products. These packaged coffee are shipped to distribution centers around the world and transferred from distribution centers through the distribution point transportation to retailers. Finally, consumers buy Nature coffee products in the mall. On the other hand, Nature Coffee also has directly sale channels, and you can order natural coffee directly through the website. Natural supply chain is to ensure high quality control and high quality operation in every link. How does such a huge supply chain select information and manage it? Its information system is a two-way real-time system. For farmers to factories to warehousing and logistics to retailers to consumers. The data at each step in the end-to-end transparency. Using AI technology to analyze and predict crop yield, logistics route planning, and consumer preferences. AI technology can be used to optimize the production plan to logistics route to reduce the inventory backlog and logistic cost. Nature adopts a comprehensive business strategy, the core purpose of which is to be consumer-centered and maintain the resilience and sustainability of the supply chain at the stable level while constantly responding to consumer taste. First of all, the supply chain strategy is to accurately match suppliers in line with mature strategy in the market to cooperate. Select high-quality suppliers and avoid the risk of unstable quality, resulting in consumer loss and reduced market share. The second is inventory management strategy. Nestle has many suppliers around the world, and the number of their purchases are also very large and complex. The digital inventory management strategy can monitor the dynamics of inventory in real time and reduce the backlog and shortage of inventory. The inventory information of cloud data can ensure business coherence and minimize risk. Finally, Nestle's logistics strategy focused on the green transportation process and digital warehousing technology. In the process of green new energy environmental protection transportation, using simplified environmental protection packaging to reduce the weight and volume of the product and carbon emissions. Nestle's supply chain management is relatively mature in the industry. In order to consolidate the existing marketing competitiveness, it can choose to promote the development space in the following aspects. Firstly, Nestle applies AI to predict future events and conducting inventory simulation exercise to cope with inventory backlog and out-of-stock risk caused by emergencies such as Black Friday and Boxing Day, adjusting inventory according to marketing changes and saving the inventory. Secondly, improve the quality from the source. Increase support for growers, promote the transformation from traditional to regenerative agriculture, reduce reliance on traditional agriculture fertilizers, and using the organic fertilizers such as fermented fruits and vegetables products, and measure to low planting costs and promote the development of renewable agriculture, making the strategy deployment for nature coffee to improve the sustainability and resilience of the supply chain from the source. Finally, promote a sustainable circular economy. Specifically, we can establish a convenience and efficiency mental coffee capsule packaging recycling network, set up special recycling point, and truly realize the recycling of materials. At the same time, we must invest in new energy transportation, phase out a high-emission logistic method, and reduce the impact on the environmental from every link. In conclusion, Nestle's supply chain management is a direct manifestation of its success through deep integration with its suppliers and the flexible application of technology. Nestle has built an efficient and responsible global network. With the rapid development of today's society, combined with digital management and operation, Nestle's supply chain can be more perfect, thereby accelerating its ability to meet consumer needs. Only through continuous innovation and optimization can Nestle continue to lead the green future of the global coffee industry. Here is the reference. Thank you.